needed some stickers for a vision board that my children were doing, and I picked up this 2,800 pack of these foil star stickers. They have 8 colors. You could see the 8 colors on each page, and there are 35 sheets in the pack. I ran out of these, but I like to keep them on hand in our arts and craft kind of section. But I also found that these are really good for like rewards, praise, encouragement, getting them to do tasks, you know, incentives. I find that these stick well on poster boards, on any kind of cardstock, and on the outside of the journals. They do not move, they stay put. I also stick them on hands, on their little faces, but you know, those stay put as well. The size is only 6/10 of an inch. The way that I would say it's about the size of a dime, maybe a little smaller. But overall, I highly recommend this 2,800 pack of the 6/10 of an inch foil star stickers.